Welcome to DS Core Diagnose. In this tutorial, you will learn to take length measurements in 2D views of a 3D X-ray scan in the canvas. You can make measurements directly on the 2D view of a 3D X-ray volume in longitudinal, cross-sectional, and axial view. Measurements can be made between 2 and more points, and as several measurements can be added to one CBCT, they can be distinguished by different colors. Your measurements are directly stored with the CBCT in addition to any text annotations or drawings you did. However, it's important to note that if you adjust the pan curve, any pre-existing measurements are deleted as they are not accurate anymore. For optimal support, the canvas now includes notifications and safety guides to support proper diagnosis. The diagnostic tools are available with a DS Core Standard subscription. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new features and functionalities for DS Core Diagnose, Plan and Make. Thank you for watching.